Visualize your personal root guru in the center of your heart, thinking, "He alone is Mahamudra, the dharmakaya, Buddha." Supplicate him with intense sincerity until you are exhausted. At first, train in short sessions repeated many times, and through this your thinking will evaporate like mist. Then extend the sessions, and by doing so remain completely thought-free. Finally, transcending sessions and breaks, you will expand into a state in which everything is the single nature of dharmata. During your breaks, carry out all your daily activities within a continuous and pervasive state of lucid wakefulness, free from any mental doing. Continue to cultivate a vast compassion for sentient beings, and make aspirations that the well-being of others may be spontaneously accomplished in the manner of non-action.